Can I have a cuddle? Can I have a cuddle, please? I love you. Hi, sweetie. Give me a cuddle. Can I have a cuddle, please? You want some water? Fresh water? You want some water? Fresh water? Yummy, yummy. Lunchtime. What's broccoli? Banana? Banana? Apple? Carrot? Cauliflower? Apples? Carrot? Cauliflower? Cauliflower? Now give me a big kiss. Give me a kiss. Woo. Alright, come on. Woo. So I'm going to help the guy. Do you want me to put carrot? So what's in here? Ready? It's not Garfield. Alexa music. Bird is the word. Bird is the word. Bird is birdie. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. No, 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 no. Ow, ow, a-hole. Meow, 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 meow. Ow, ow, ow.
What are you doing, red butt chicken?
It's cold here.
Red butt chicken, it's not cold in here.
Alexa, and you're a rat. Shower day.
Shower day. It's not shower day. That's Wednesday. You
What?
silly.
Do you want some apple? Do you want some apple? Are you okay, girlfriend? Welcome. Yummy, yummy. Shower day. Shower day. Shower day. I love you, Rip. Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. Alright, I'll be right back. Waving go-go. Archie Park. Do you want some fresh water? You want some water? Fresh water? Shower day. Shower day. Shower day. Shower day. I love you, Rip Bucket. Look, look. Shower day. Wheel. Okay, you want like a... Oh, God. What's that pizza? Oh, carrots. Sorry, Graham. Ow. You crazy parrot. You want some fresh water?